Martha ANN Yacht. The 230.02-foot, 70.11-meter, Lursen custom motor yacht Martha ANN underwent its most recent renovation in 2016. The yacht's exterior styling is by Espinano, and Zaretti is responsible for the interior design. Specification: length 230.02 feet by 70.11 meter. Builder Lursen. Exterior designer Espinano. Interior design Zaretti. Built refit 2008-2016. Model custom. Beam 41.99 feet by 12.8 m. Gross tonnage 1939 tons. Draft 12.14 feet by 3.70 m. Cruising speed 13 kilometers. Top speed 15.5 kilometers. Guests 12. Crew 21. Cabins 7. Cabin configuration: 1 master, 1 VIP, 4 double, 1 twin, 2 Pullman. Accommodation: up to 12 passengers can be accommodated in Martha ANN's interior layout. 7 rooms, which include a master suite, a VIP stateroom, for double cabins, 1 triple cabin, 1 twin cabin, and 2 Pullman beds. Additionally, she has space for up to 21 crew members, ensuring a comfortable luxury yacht experience. A timeless aesthetic, lovely furnishings, and plush seating are used throughout to create a classy and welcoming ambience. With her amazing leisure and entertainment options, Martha ANN is the perfect charter boat for mingling and having fun with loved ones. Space and elegance. Huge volumes and stylish elegance characterize 70-meter Martha ANN. For spacious interiors, the yacht has a 42-foot beam, feature luxurious accommodation with a main deck master suite that is split over 2 levels, offering the ultimate retreat on board. A glass elevator runs guests between decks. Stay fit on the dedicated sports deck, featuring a large gym equipped with commercial-grade exercise equipment and an oversized swim spa. Sports deck. Work out in the fully equipped gym, then retreat to the oversized spa pool. Classic interiors. Her opulent and spacious interior is the work of designer François Zaretti. Dining. Its spacious dining area to dine or entertain friends. Performance. She has an aluminum superstructure and a steel hull. This custom displacement boat has a cutting-edge stabilizing technology that lessens the effect of roll motion and produces a smoother, more pleasurable sailing experience. She has at-anchor stabilizers that function at 0 speed to improve comfort on board while at anchor and in choppy conditions. The Martha ANN was designed to meet MCA and Lloyd's Register requirements. She is the ideal blend of performance and luxury, with a cruising speed of 13 knots, a top speed of 15.5 knots, and a range of 6,000 nautical miles from her 43,300-liter fuel tanks. Amenities. Air conditioning, Wi-Fi connection on board, deck jacuzzi, gym exercise equipment, lift, elevator, air conditioning, stabilizers underway, jacuzzi, on deck, gym, stabilizers at anchor stabilizers. Special features. German-built superyacht. 6 decks and 13,000 plus square foot of air-conditioned living space. Grand foyer with its centerpiece circular elevator. Large pool bar. Vast deck spaces. Tender garage full of water toys. Experienced crew. 2x3 seat wave runners. 2 stand-up jet skis. 2 sea bobs. 2x2 person kayaks, 1 sailboat, inflatable water toys, towable toys, snorkeling equipment, floating pool, fishing equipment, 1 wakeboard, 1 kneeboard, water skis, dive compressor, 6 scuba diving equipment, 44 feet by 13.41 m Nautica with 2x350 horsepower engines towed, 25.92 feet by 7.9 meter Royal Denship limo tender 260 horsepower engine air conditioned, 25.92 feet by 7.9 meter Nautica with 2x150 horsepower engines. Locations: Windward Islands, Western Mediterranean, Virgin Gorda, Tuscany, Tortola, the Mediterranean, the Caribbean, St. Vincent, St. Martin, St. Lucia, St. Kitts, St. Tropez, St. Jean Cap Ferret, St. Barts, south of France, Sicily, Sardinia, Portofino, Nice, Naples and Capri, Monaco, Leeward Islands, Italy, Italian Riviera, Grenadines, French Riviera, France, Europe, Directory, Côte d'Azur, Corsica, Cannes, Camagli, BVI, British Virgin Islands, Bahamas, Antibes, Amalfi Coast. Charter rates per week plus expenses is approximately $745,000. Like our YouTube channel, share, press notification bell for more videos. Visit website www.mendzon.com.